Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic greeting message to only new contacts on your WhatsApp. Now, if you're on WhatsApp business, go to your business tools, because it's really annoying when this message drops every time to your old contacts, like every single time. It's annoying. So once you go to your business tools, you go to your greeting message and you turn this on, right? So you put your message here, whatever you want them to get the first time they send you a message. Then you go to your recipients. Now, once you get to recipients, this is where a lot of people make the mistake. You can decide that the message goes to everyone, right? That is when your old contacts also get this message, which is not necessary. And you can decide to exclude your contacts, which is the one that I'm training to. You can decide to exclude your contacts, right? So that this message goes to only new people that send you a message, right? And you can decide to go to everyone except a selected few, but I don't use that. So for this tutorial, you're supposed to. So for this tutorial, you just click on exclude my contacts. So this message drops to every single person that sent you a message that is not on your contact list, okay? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know. Bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know. Bye.